We are discussing about CNC and automation. Now let's see what is CNC. CNC is a self-contained NC system for single machine unit which uses a dedicated mini computer controlled by instructions stored in its memory and gives output. A system in which all actions are controlled by the direct numeric data. At some point, the system must automatically interpret at least some portion of this data. This is a pictorial view of CNC machine. Here you can see that machine control unit and data flow from machine control unit to main unit, and feedback come through machine operations. There is positive velocity diagnosis of CNC machine. These are the basic advantage and disadvantage of CNC. High repeatability of aircraft part. Volume of production is very high. Complex controls. Surface can be easily machined. Flexibility in job change. Automatic tool setting is there. Less scrap. More safe. Higher productivity and better quality. Less paperwork. Faster prototype production. Reduction in lead time. These are the advantages and basics of disadvantage of CNC machine. The CNC machines are more costly, setup change time is complicated, and skilled operator required. Computer programming knowledge required. Maintenance is difficult. There are two systems there. One is open loop control system, another is closed loop control system. We can discuss about open loop control system. In open loop system, have no access to the real-time data about the performance of the system, and therefore no immediate corrective action can be taken in case of system disturbance. That is, input then system and outcomes. The pictorial view of open loop control system is pulse train input of stepper motor. Here you can see that the work table is working stationary linear motion of work table, and rotation of lead screw is rotational force. The work head of the tool, post and tool system is there. Again we can discuss closed loop control system. In closed loop control system, feedback device closely monitor the output and may disturbance will be corrected in the first instance. Therefore, high system accuracy is achievable. You can say that the input, system, output and feedback given by input system. Here, a system can close from initial to end stage. This is a block diagram of closed loop control system in which comparator, input device or servo motor, work table, work head and encoders. Here we can discuss about also encoder system. Encoders are the optical substances which is used to convert encoding to decoding form. Again, a feedback signal is there, linear motion of the table. Motion control system. There are 2 point of control system is there. Point to point control system. A system move to a location and performs an operation at the location. For example, we can take example of drilling. Here x-axis and y-axis is there. X-axis is horizontal axis and y-axis is vertical axis. You can see that here the drilling position is 1, 2 and 3 of work part. The tool path is defined at starting point of the stage.